It's a decent-sized room.
What is Isis doing?
For Ben's furniture and
Huh?
everything.
Are you running?
Very nice for a playroom.
It could be bigger.
What are you doing?
Could be, but you know, you're in a price range, right?
Uh-oh.
I know the highway is
Who's this guy?
but you can't hear anything.
Wow, you are jumping? Jump! Jump!
So I guess this is the master bedroom.
This is big.
I love the trees, I do, but it's completely blocking any sunlight that could ever
Stacey, I
come.
think you're being a little bit too nitpicky, don't you? Well,
I don't like
I don't
that.
really understand all of this. You know,
What are you trying to do, buddy?
anyways,
So, what do you guys think?
I love it. Is
Say something to the camera. Say something, Isaac. Say hi, Mama.
amazing price. Yeah.
I don't like the basement. I think the upstairs.
No, don't run here. Don't run from here. You can hurt yourself.
Backyard. Find me something in the country, Serena.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Please.